Hey guys, it's back to school time, and now I want to do a post about lunch packing for adults. So we talked about how having the right container is really important, like one of these bento box for the kids. So you make sure you get your fruit and your veggies, your snack foods, and you know exactly how many carbs. Let's do the same thing for us grown-ups. So let's talk about making a super easy 3-step salad, and it all starts with a container. So you're going to take a large enough container that you can fit 3 cups of your greens. And so the first time you're going to use an honest to God measuring cup, and you're going to fill it with 3 kind of large packed handfuls of your greens. I'm using spinach. You could use mixed baby greens, romaine, you name your lettuce, it doesn't matter. You're still talking about 4 carbs for 3 cups worth of greens. And so you're going to figure out very quickly that you can grab a huge handful out of the pre-washed, easy, super easy to grab greens, and it's going to fill your container to a certain line. Then you don't have to measure it every day. Boom, I've got my greens, my 4 carbs. Next, I'm going to make it pretty, colorful, and crunchy. So I've done the work for you. I figured out that this little kid's cup, which is about 3/4 of a cup, if it's not totally filled, worth of crunchy vegetables is about 10 carbs. So cucumbers, peppers, onions, maybe some baby carrots, whatever you have in your fridge or whatever you want to buy and cut up or buy cut up, you can fit into this container, and it's going to add crunch and color to your salad and be delicious and only add 10 carbs. Next, your protein. We're doing about 3 ounces. You know, it's the size of your palm. So I found this kid's container that's exactly the size of my palm. I fill it up with my protein. I know I've got a serving, and I've got about 5 carbs worth of protein, as long as it's not covered in like a barbecue sauce or something that's laden with carbs. We're talking baked chicken, your leftover hamburger. We're talking about some deli meat that you're gonna roll and fit in this container. We're talking about a hard-boiled egg or 2. And so you're fitting it in your container. You're talking about less than 5 carbs worth, and you're getting lots of protein. I might even add a single serving, 28 nuts. I've counted them out. I know exactly how many fit into this container, and it's 1 carbs worth. And I've got my protein, I've got my veggies, and as long as you watch out for the carbs in your salad dressing and you measure that out, you're gonna have a low-carb, delicious lunch that's relatively easy to pack each day. Have a great lunch. See y'all.